Well, welcome everybody to the Knowledge Series. We're going to be doing several articles and blogs and videos on these 9 activities within Archibus. We believe that Archibus is a single platform that can actually take any disaster from beginning to end, from identification all the way through reoccupation of a site or a building. And with that, I have with us the Workplace Maven Alliance, which consists of Infinaris, Online FM, Robotech, CAD Solutions, IMS Consulting, RSC, and all 5 of us are certified Archibus business partners. This infographic shows us the 9 modules or activities within Archibus that we believe can provide probably the only solution in the world that can take a disaster from beginning to end, starting with 1 all the way through 9. One of the things that RSC has been doing for about 15 years now is helping our clients track remote employees. Prior to the pandemic, I would say that some of our clients have anywhere from 2 to 20% of their staff actually working from home or from another location that is small enough that it's not tracked by AutoCAD drawings. And we like to use the emergency preparedness module with the contingent locations, which is actually in the employees table, to show both the primary location and the contingent location. And when the contingent location is filled in with the home city and state, we can now create some tracking reports to understand how many people in California are working remotely from home, how many people in San Francisco or the Bay Area are working from home, what cities are they in. I can then make some strategic decisions around that. If you don't own emergency preparedness, there's other ways that we can track remote. The space inventory module, we've been able to do that in a couple of ways. We create a building that's remote, floor is the state, and a room is the city, and then I can track how many people are in a city. And there's multiple ways to do that. Or you can use the room categories, types, or standards to track remote locations if you don't have the emergency preparedness module.
One additional benefit of emergency preparedness is the ability to issue bulletins to alert employees or contractors of certain conditions, maybe when buildings are coming back online. It can be used as a messaging tool in addition to a tracking tool for your organization.
Emergency preparedness can also be used for other types of disasters. You may have to evacuate the building, and emergency preparedness gives you the view that allows you to account for people and might they still be in the building.
Thanks for watching and listening to us. Thanks for being a part of this and allowing us to be a part of your day-to-day.